we'll see this first in slow motion, then we'll do a more faster version. Right? Lock, sit, punch. You get the arm. Control first the arm so that you loosen the grip. When you lose the grip, you can cut. I'll cut here. Doesn't matter. I'll cut there, or from this position, I'll cut here. Okay, that's the third one. Okay, next. Okay, stab. There. Okay. From this position, I could just punch him. Grab this one again. Control the wrist. From this one, I can already grab it by my right arm since this is one. The left hand is already controlling the grip of this attacking arm. Cut here, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, doesn't matter how you cut as long as you get the idea. Okay, once more. 1 there, 2, block, get, control, get, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Next, block, here, this position, bam. Same idea, control first this arm, and you cut, 1, 2, 3 at the back. Okay, one more, 1, 1. Okay? Doesn't matter where you hit. It doesn't matter what arm you get it. It's up to you. Okay? The pattern is the same though. This one here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's the same pattern. Okay? Okay, block. From this position, you can usually block here, back. You can just get the arm back. And cut. Okay, again. Take the arm strike. Next one, be here. There, block here. See, you can block it here, or continue with this one. Strike first, then pull down. Then grab this hand and you can slash him down. Okay, once more. Strike, bam. Block and get. Cut. Cut anywhere. Okay. Strike. Here, I'll just get this arm. When he pulls, I just distract him with this. Continue with the grab, cut. And once more. Okay, next would be from this position. Okay, since you cannot get it, that will be it. And you will stab you cover. Stab you. Block. Same idea. Okay. More. Slow. Okay, from there, you block. You just block it this way. Do that. Cut. Okay. Next. Next one will be slash. From here you block, you will eventually block it, that you can slash. Okay? One more. 1, 2. From that one, you block, and block it here. And you can just continue with the slash. That one. Block it with both hands, okay, like this. You will get this one and you just grab and block again. Control first. Then you go get the leverage. One more. going down here. This position will go down here. Right? You can just follow through. Just do it like this. Okay, all the techniques that I'm using here is what I see practical and what I can see as direct. Rather than forcing yourself to disarm it this way, which you might get cut like this, or from this position you strike from here, okay? You block it this way and you try it like that, okay? Yeah, that's what would happen. Eventually he will do this, or he will get his left arm and grab you from behind and eventually stick the knife to you. You can do all sorts of other things. Okay, so better watch out from doing this way. Otherwise, not good. You know, get cut from behind. You can just do this one. If you get cut here, okay, it's not as severe as being cut neck. So from this one, you can just do that one and follow his hand. Okay, rather than forcing yourself going in here, which is very dangerous. Okay, that's the idea. Okay, once more, the last strike. Okay, it's the last strike already. So tap, block here. Continue with that one. Grab, slash. Okay, one more. Block.